Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I will be decorating this pencil tree right here. This is the first of a few Christmas trees that I will do just to show you and give you some ideas of style and colors for the upcoming Christmas season for 2025. So today we're going to be decorating this tree in the color purple using these items that I got from the Christmas sale. Yes. So we're going to use these and we are going to beautify this tree right here. So if this is something that you want to see, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to add some ribbons to it, and I'm going to be using this purple and gold one. This gold one, can you believe I went back to the Goodwill just on a random day and this one was sitting there? I paid $2.09 for it. So I'm gonna pair it with this one and we're gonna do some ribbons. Okay guys, I've made a few of these bows and I'm going to start attaching them to the tree, starting at the top, and then I'm just gonna randomly place them. I think I have maybe 4 or 5 of these, so I'm gonna put these on first and then we will add some ornaments. Hey penny pinchers, I hope you're enjoying the video, but just wanted to take a moment to share some exciting news with you. Now, over the years, I have shared so many home decor videos with you on tips and ideas, hauls, tablescapes. I have shared winter tablescapes, summer, fall, Christmas, you name it. I have shared it with you guys, and you have been so gracious and so supportive over the years, and I thank you so much. You've also had some questions that I am always willing and ready to answer. But with all that, what I have done is I have created an e-learning course especially for you on table decorating. It is entitled Elegant Tablescapes Made Simple. In this course, you will learn simple styling basics, how to layer, about centerpieces, how to set a formal table, and so much more. So with Christmas and Thanksgiving and all of those holidays coming up, I know you're looking forward to decking out your table so that when your guests walk in through those doors and see your table, they will know that you took the time out to prepare this table especially for them. So there's a lot that you will learn in this course. It is a digital course. What I will do is I will leave a link for you down below. So click it and purchase your course today so that you can learn all about how to decorate your tables. Wait, I also included how to do the different napkin styling, like the different napkin rolls. So you definitely want to check it out. Thank you so much for your support. Love you, love you, love you. Now let's get back to the video. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my ornaments to it, and I'm just gonna add them randomly in the spaces that have like the gaps between the bows until I'm satisfied as to how full it is. I'm gonna start adding in some of these very like fuchsia pink, so I'm mixing my colors with the different shades, pink and purple. So I'm gonna start putting these in. All right guys, so it's coming along nicely. I've added some of the ornaments along with the bows, and this is what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the picks and stuff in it to give it a little bit more texture. And then from there, we'll decide what our next steps will be. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a few of these gold picks just to kind of break up the purple and pink a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna go in with some of these, but these I'm going to be using at the top as a part of the topper. All right, so starting from the top where I added all these picks to make the topper, I also incorporated a cup of gold just to break it up a little bit. And then I have this big bow at the front to kind of tie, no pun intended, to kind of tie the topper together. All right, and then coming down, you see all of the ornaments I added. I went ahead and added these little like gold berries just to fill in some gaps, along with all the gold and the purple picks that I used, just so that I wouldn't have a lot of gaps in the tree. The ornaments, as I stated earlier, I mixed them with the purple and this like fuchsia pink, and I used 2 sizes. This tree is a 7-foot pencil tree, and as you can see, it's backed up to the wall. So all of the ornaments and the bows and stuff that I use on here, I have put them to the front of the tree and on the sides of the tree. I didn't really fill in the back section here because, like I said, it's backed up to the wall. But this is it, guys. Let me show you what I did to the bottom. As we move down, you'll see I'm using bigger ornaments at the base of the tree in place of a tree skirt. And this is another thing that you can do, guys, to kind of change up your look for your Christmas tree this year, is to get the really big ornaments and put at the base of your tree, and it kind of just hugs the bottom of the tree and it looks absolutely amazing. Pretty much all the items that I've used on here came from the Christmas warehouse sale. If you don't know what I'm referring to, if you're new here, I will leave a link to show you what that was like when I went to the Christmas warehouse and all the fabulous and amazing things that I got. So pretty much everything came from there, with the exception of these gold picks and this gold ribbon. This gold ribbon, as I told you at the top of the video, came from Goodwill, and these picks came from Hobby Lobby. Everything else came from the Christmas warehouse sale. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I love the colors. I love how vibrant they are. And as you know, I'm always on like the neutral side. I don't do a lot of color when it comes to like Christmas trees and stuff, but I'm going to start to tap into different color schemes, because I'm really loving how vibrant, how brilliant, and how fun it is to decorate with these beautiful colors. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of my first formal Christmas tree for the season. I am here on my back patio, just, you know, doing some mock-ups and just showing you some different ideas. I'm going to be bringing you a couple more trees in this same fashion with different colors, just to again give you some ideas on how to decorate for the upcoming Christmas season. If this is your first time seeing my channel, Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the very first person to know when I upload new content. And boy, do I have new content coming with the upcoming holidays. So make sure you hit the notification bell. And to my lovely Penny Pinchers, you already know exactly how I feel about you guys. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.